got a Century High C topper. Fits the 95 to 04 Toyota Tacoma with a 6-foot bed. The High C is like a high mid-roof design. It starts out cab high and then rises up throughout the roof line all the way to the back for more headroom and clearance. It's copper in color. It's actually pretty decent shape. I think it was PO1 Copper, I think was the color code, if I remember correctly. It's got some paint flake and some things on the top. Had a roof rack mounted to it at one time. It's no longer there. But you can kind of see some of the clear coat peeling on the top. But it's really not all bad on the top. There's most of that stuff you're never going to see. Has some scratches right about there. And really, it's an older unit, so it's going to have nicks and scratches on it, but it's really not bad shape. Bottom edge looks good on this top. The top edge here looks good. A couple nicks and scratches here and there, just right about through there. But I mean, really, nothing major. Side windows are third sliders, so a third of the window slides forward. It's got a sliding window in the front. A little bit of damage right on this front edge here. Looks like it rubbed against the back of the cab there a little bit. A little clear coat peel right there. A couple scratches right in there. Small scratch right there. Really not bad. This side looks pretty decent as well. See the clear coat peel on the top there a little bit. Right there is probably the worst part that you can see on this side, is where the clear coat drops down into there. But most all the clear coat peel is up on the top. Bottom edge of this one looks good as well. I mean, really, this one looks nice, other than this little spot right there on the top edge on this side. Third sliding window on this side as well. That looks pretty good from distance. Screens have some holes in it. A couple right there. A little bit bigger ones right there. A little bit of a tear. Doesn't look too awful bad. Doesn't look like it's leaks in here at all that I can see. Sliding window. Screen's got a couple holes right there. Not very big holes, but just a couple right there. There's the nice build sheet for this. I don't know if how well this will focus in on there. 95 to 04 Toyota Tacoma. I think it was the King cab. There it is. Century High C. It's 95 to 04 Toyota Tacoma with a 6-foot bed. It measures 60 inches wide, 76 inches long, so it'll fit other mini trucks as well. S10s, Mazdas, Datsuns, things like that. You get back into those older mini trucks, it'll work on those. Single T-handle locking rear door, mid-roof design. The below is a link to the website to this location, or to this specific top, so that you can see the price on it, which location it's at, more information on it if you need. Also a link to our website for other parts as far as truck cap, topper, replacement parts, T-handles, locks, the tape, the seal underneath the bottom, all that kind of stuff you might need for your topper or cap. as well as regular truck accessories as well. Thanks for watching.